everyone, it's me, Krista. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to my little art corner here on YouTube. Today we're going to be unboxing and swatching the items that came in the July 2020 Artsnacks box. So let's get on to what we have inside. As always, we have our handy dandy Artsnacks menu that lets us know more information about the items inside. We also got another cute little sticker with that Artsnacks logo right there. The snack this month is some Smarties. I love this candy, so I'm happy I got some. The first two pieces of actual art supplies are some Kuretake Zig Gansai Tombi watercolor pans. They are normally $2.50 retail price each, and this is a staff favorite. Practice the art of traditional Japanese watercolor painting with Gansai Tombi watercolors. These professional quality paints have a highly blendable and smooth consistency. The intense colors are more opaque than European and American watercolors, so try them out on both light and dark paper. The colors I got are number 48 and number 68. Number 48 is a greenish yellow, and number 68 is blue gray deep. So far, I like the two colors I got. I think they applied fairly well, and the size of those pans is really quite large. I think just these two pans are gonna last for quite a while. The next item is something to apply the watercolors with. It is a Kuretake Zig Brush 2.0 Petite Water Brush. Retail price for this is normally $4. Create beautiful washes of color with the Mini Brush 2.0 water brush. Painting on the go has never been easier. Store the tip with the brush facing in to the barrel to make it even more compact, while also protecting the bristles. To use, fill the barrel with water and give it a light squeeze to get the liquid flowing. This brush applied well for the swatches, and it does seem like it would travel pretty easily. The following item they gave us is a Plumchester P8 fine liner. This is normally $2.99 retail. This is a new product, and this is an Artsnacks exclusive. Lay down your boldest ideas with the Plumchester P8 fine liner, the newest member of the Plumchester family. The P8 delivers a thick 0.8mm tip that delivers consistent and strong lines. With pigmented black ink and a metal encased nib, the sturdy pen will become a staple in your art supply stash. It seems like a decent 0.8 liner. The final item we got in this month's box is a Daniel Smith Extra Fine Watercolor Stick. The retail price for this is normally $14.75. Experience the magic of Daniel Smith Extra Fine Watercolors in an exciting new way. Made from the same superior pigments as Daniel Smith watercolor paint, this stick features a high intensity and light fastness. It can be applied with a wet brush or used as a unique drawing tool. The tip can even be sharpened for more precision. Save the shavings, you can create paint by adding water to them. This is pretty cool, and it actually diluted in the water really easily after I put it down on the paper and put water over it. It also mixes with those other watercolors, the Kuretake ones we got, pretty well. I'm also very happy that I got a red, a yellow, and a bluish color, because I can mix these all together and get a variety of different colors and shades, and they all seem to play fairly well together so far. I'm looking forward to making a project with these for sure, and because of the colors I got, there are a lot of different ways I can go. I've got to think about it a little bit. And with that, this video is pretty much done. If you liked it, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, concerns, if you've used any of the items in this month's box, or you want to let me know what colors you got, because I know Artsnacks sends out different ones, let me know in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings and projects once a month. As always, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you will definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!